Mary, what are you doing?
I'm a say wait. I'm a book. I'm a wait.
Show Papa your stories. What are they called?
Two. My books.
Which one are you reading? Show it to Papa. What's it called?
Two.
Can you read it? What's inside there? Are there pictures? What's it say?
The animals.
What kind of animals?
Ducks.
Ducks.
Pigs.
What's a piggy say?
Oink.
What else?
Puppies.
What's a puppy say?
What's the ducks?
Ducks.
Quack, quack. What's the hugger?
What is that?
Horse.
What's a horsey say? Mary, what's a lion say?
No.
What does a
Wait.
lion say? What's a lion say? That's good, honey. Good job.
A blue. A blue.
What's a donkey say? Mary,
Mm-hmm.
what's a donkey say?
This donkey.
Hee-haw.
Hee-haw.
What does a
That's a blue.
rooster say?
Ooh, cock-a-doodle.
Cock-a-doodle-doo. What's a lion say? What's a tiger say? Remember a tiger?
Yes.
What's he say? Look at the camera.
Um,
What's a tiger say? How about a bear?
yes.
What's a bear say?
That's a bear.
That's an elefante.
Elephant.